In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email newsletter with Mailchimp using a secret method featuring Canva. Let's dive right into it. First, the key to a visually stunning email starts with a great design, and Canva is the perfect tool for that. Head over to canva.com and log into your account. If you don't have one yet, it only takes a moment to sign up, and it's free for basic access. Once you're in, use the search bar at the top to type in email newsletter or email template. Canva will present you with countless professionally designed templates that are ready to go. Now select a template that catches your eye. Don't worry, these templates are entirely customizable, so feel free to experiment. Once you've picked your template, it's time for customization. Here, you'll want to change the text to match your message, swap out images for your own, and tweak the colors and fonts to align with your brand. Remember, the goal is to make your newsletter engaging and reflective of your brand identity. Here's a tip. Keep your design simple and mobile friendly. Many people will open your emails on their phones, so ensure all crucial information is easy to read on smaller screens. Once you're satisfied with your design, it's time to export it. Move your cursor to the top right corner of the Canva interface and click on Share. From the drop-down menu, select Download. While Canva offers various file formats, you'll want to choose either PNG or JPG because Mailchimp doesn't support direct Canva templates. After selecting your desired format, click the Download button to save your design to your computer. The next step takes us to Mailchimp. Open your browser and navigate to mailchimp.com. Sign into your account, and if you're a new user, their sign-up process is also user-friendly and straightforward. Once you're logged in, you'll want to create a new email campaign. Click on Create at the top, select Email and then Regular Email. Choose a template that fits your design needs. You might go for a custom template or one of the basic layouts Mailchimp provides. These templates serve as the backbone of your newsletter, allowing for easy integration of your Canva design. Adding your Canva masterpiece is simple. Drag and drop an image block into your email editor, upload your PNG or JPG file by selecting it from your computer, and voila, your beautiful design is now part of your Mailchimp email. If the image doesn't fit quite right, adjust the size until it looks perfect. Before sending it off, do a quick check by clicking Preview and Test. This feature allows you to see exactly how your newsletter will appear to recipients. Ensure everything looks polished. Typos and misalignments can be deal breakers. If you're happy with what you see, it's time to actually send your newsletter. Either schedule it for a later date or send it immediately. And there you have it, an eye-catching email newsletter created in Canva and brought to life through Mailchimp, all set to engage your audience. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching and happy emailing.